Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're finally back doing boxes. It's been a while. We went on vacation, we went cruising, some of you guys came on alive with us, it was a lot of fun. And now we're back in vacation limbo, although not for too long. We will be going to Disney World in January, so we're going to do some lives from there. Speaking of lives, tonight we are bringing back Disney After Dark. We're going to be making the Captain's Mai Tai that you can get at the Muddy Rivers and Port Orleans Riverside's pool bar. So check that out. You can probably go click on it to get a reminder. It should be up by now. So yeah, hope to see you guys there tonight. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Facebook group. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe please. But if you haven't joined our Facebook group, go check it out, Disney Dynamicks. And if you'd like to check us out on Instagram, it's right here. Check it out. I think that's it, right? All right. What are we doing today? Oh, yeah. Big old Mickey loot box. This is the Man and the Mouse. And if you don't know who the Man and the Mouse are, you're going to have to leave. Just kidding. It's Walt and Mickey. That's all coming up right now. All right, we're back. Ready? I already cut this one open because it hit a lot of tape. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Alright, so, I know we usually pop these and they make a big mess, but lately I've been feeling bad and Mary has... Never mind. Failure.
What did you get?
But wait, there's more. Alright. Think glitter thoughts. Yes! That's what you get. Oh, and an empty one. Or is it? Oh my god!
Are you kidding me?
That was the best one.
That one in the litter box too. Nermy's gonna have some shiny poo.
All right.
Thanks, Matt.
I appreciate you, Matt. Okay. Spoiler sheet. We'll hold on to this everywhere. We'll wait for the spoiler sheet. All right. Oh, look at the card. It's the partner statue silhouette. It says, Chris, we're excited to share this very special box about a very special man and the mouse that changed the world, Mickey Loot. All right. Where do we begin?
Start small.
Start small. Small this way or small this way?
Yes.
That's a lot of glitter. That was a really good one.
No, it wasn't a very good one. It's freaking everywhere, Mr. Bigglesworth.
That's good stuff.
No, it's not though.
Alright. Sorry, I gotta gather myself a little. Alright. It says the art of Disney theme parks. It's a velvety box. Here, you can see it before me. Ready? Oh. Holy cow! It almost fell out. Oh my gosh, it's super heavy. Alright, what is this? I will throw this up in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. Boop. Where the Dreams Come True commemorative medallion. 2.5-inch diameter, solid bronze, high relief medallion. Limited edition of 5,000. This is number 3,088. Holy cow. So, you just saw the front with Walt's face. I'll flip it around so you can see the back. Boop. Oh, and it even has the number stamped in it, 3,088. Wow, that is really cool. I definitely do not have one of those. That is amazing. Thank you very much. That's a good way to start. Alright. You know what? We're going to do this one next. This is definitely from In the Parks because it has that weird paper that they use there.
Is he missing a hand?
He is. So,
No.
oh, this thing is so cool, but Walt's missing a hand. It's the partner statue. You got
Found
it? Yes!
Got it.
It's the partner statue ornament. But
Is he
apparently...
missing fingers too?
What the hell?
What the...
What the hell? Look at his.
No, that's not... Oh, wait.
Yeah, he's missing.
Yeah, he's missing some fingers. He's got the majority of his hand, though. He had a rough ride, because
Oh, I found him. I found his fingers.
Shut up! Alright. I'm gonna do a little bit of surgery on Walt.
Okay. See his fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, maybe. I think we're good. Alright.
I'm gonna get a baggie for you.
Thanks.
Hold on, 1 second.
I guess we have to wait. So I am going to do a little surgery and get out the tweezers and super glue. And
I'll continue.
here's the
looking
result.
for fingers.
I'm going to put them... no, you know what? I'm not going to have time to fix them first. So I'm going to put them in the photo box without the hand, but I'm going to fix it. So here's a better look. Boop. And we'll get that fixed. I really like it though. It's from the parks, $24.99.
I found another part.
You got another one?
Either that or cat litter.
Ew. Okay, so there. Did I? Boop. Yeah. Okay. All right, moving on. I can't wait to put that back together, and we're gonna have such an amazing tree this year. All right. What's going on over there?
Looking for... I don't know if it's glitter or fingers.
We'll figure this out. Okay. Ready? This is really going off the rails here.
Criminy.
I haven't snapped yet. Can you back up the picture? She doesn't do it. It's magic. See? Magic. This, oh my gosh. Limited release. It's the 50th Magic Band with the charm thing on it. And it's got the castle and the partner statue.
I'll be using that in January.
The color is amethyst, which I don't know, but I'm sure it says in there. You'll be what?
I'll be using that in January.
You will not. That's mine. We'll put that in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. That's super cool. I really like the color blue too. I like this blue in particular. I like it a lot. Nice. I love Walt stuff. Alright, and finally, there's something in there. Besides glitter. Ready? Look at this! So, this must have come from when he went to Paris Disney. And I think it's the cover of a magazine or a coloring book. But it is super cool. And it's pretty old. It was 20 cents in Canada. Or 50 francs. I think that's a little amount, I think. This is really cool, though. I'm definitely going to frame that. That is so... I already said it's cool. So cool. This won't really fit in the photo box, but... check it out. I love it. Alright. So... this has been a weird show today. Alright, so... this is a C ticket. Limited release Man and the Mouse themed box. Vintage cover art, $60. Let's see here. The coin, $39.95. Did I put boop, boop? There it is. 50th Magic Band, $34.99. Partner statue Christmas ornament, $24.99.
Some assembly required.
With the 5-finger discount. And total $159.93. That is so cool. I love everything in here, and oh, that coin is really cool. Alright. Happy camper. Alright, I hope to see you guys tonight on our live. If I have a black eye, it's because it took longer to clean this mess up than I thought. Otherwise, I'll see you then. And if you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, that'd be amazing. This button right here. Hit that. And I hope you're having a great day. Glitter flew off my hand.